the 15 minutes are over. We are going to remove the Greta's mask what we had applied. Okay, first the
I'm feeling so
tan,
cool.
first the fling, and then we have to wipe it with a wet towel.
Looks like my tan is gone, huh?
Yeah, it is.
It has disappeared a little.
It takes a little time, so one more sitting will really help you. But then you can see there is a glow for your
Yes.
skin. Greta. It
can
said
see that.
it said it is a glow.
But then am I going to get the same tan again when I get exposed to the sun? So
Yes.
what I'll have to do is use SPF 45.
SPF 45 every day before you leave. You can see this over here. There is a glow on your hand, this part.
Yeah.
This is a natural way. Before doing this, you can even bleach your hands and then do this.
Okay. But if somebody doesn't want to bleach, then like me, I don't like to use bleach on my hands. You know what? I'm feeling great and I can really see the difference, but the stubborn tan has not gone off. So I'll need maybe another sitting or 2 sittings maybe.
After this,
Yeah.
you need to cut your nails.
Okay, which are already cut.
Yeah, you can have an exfoliator for manicure.
Okay.
After manicure, it's optional. If you want, you can have one, or if your nails are clean, no need. After this, peaches skin massage cream. Okay, and have and give you a very good massage.
Okay, Reshma, but you have not told me how many times, we can have this type of massage or the skin
Once in
treatment.
15, yeah. Once in 15 days, if you have got very stubborn tan, you can go once a week. Just 4 sittings will remove your tan definitely.
Okay.
Okay. You feel tired, you're tired. You want to have just don't want to go for a body massage. You go for a hand massage. Even that will help.
Okay. The stubborn tan remains here, see Reshma.
Yeah,
So
over
for
here.
these, I'll need another.
One more sitting, yeah. A bleach would have removed. If you would have
but
done
then I don't use
activator bleach, it would have removed definitely. But this is a natural product.
Okay.
It has got no chemicals, no activator. So it takes little time.
Yes.
The time to go. For that you need a sitting. Otherwise, if it was little lesser tan, it would have gone.
Okay.
This massage cream you can use every day, which will moisturize your skin. It will feel softer. It will even give you a glow. Very good for your hands if you have tan especially. The other name for this is a massage cream for hand.
Okay. It's available anyway in any of the saloons?
No, it's not. It will be available in the saloons, but not in the market. It's not a commercial product. It's only available in saloon. If you leave it, okay, after some time when it gets absorbed, you have to apply SPF 45.
Okay.
And then you can leave wherever you want to leave. Now we're going to give a Greta mini facial. Greta has got a combination skin. Her forehead, her nose, her chin is oily. Her cheeks are dry. After deep cleanser, we have to apply a toner, just 4-5 drops of toner on the cotton and just wipe it. Toner makes you feel fresh, removes the excessive dirt which is not removed with cleanser. The toner removes it. Now we are going to use a wedge peel, exfoliating mask which will exfoliate Greta's skin. It will help in remove her patches her dead skin. Usually a scrub is to be used once a week. This product can be applied every day. Can be applied for the lips. It gives you a pinky look. Your lips become pink. The eyelids, don't forget the eyelids, the dark circles under eye. Keep for 5 minutes and then wipe it off. We have applied veg peel for Greta. We have to keep it for 5 minutes. It is working. Our exfoliator for Greta, we have used a granule free exfoliator. If you use veg peel, well and good. If you don't have a veg peel, use a granule base, that is apricot scrub, or you get scrubs in many ways. Scrub is to be done once a week again. Scrub, after scrub you have to take steam. For oily skin, steam is compulsory. For very dry skin, no need of steam. You have to have a hot compress. Hot compress is done by dipping a towel into a hot water, lukewarm water. Just press your skin with a towel. After that, you can remove your blackhead or whiteheads with blackhead remover. I'm just going to remove her veg peel with a wet tissue. I can find a difference in her skin, that is, her skin is become even. There's lot of glow. It's become one tone lighter. Now I'm going to apply Ambrowell for her dark circles, which will make her dark circles again one tone lighter. It won't disappear, but then it will be one tone lighter. Simultaneously, I'll massage with a Well Marina cream. I will leave this part and massage the rest of the face with Well Marina cream. Massage is to be given for 10 to 15 minutes. This peel off mask sets quickly. In 10 to 5 minutes it will set and it will be, we'll peel it from top to bottom. We'll peel it so it will look like a gauge. Mask has been set. After 10 minutes you have to remove it. Start removing from the edges. This is the way of removing. You're not supposed to remove from down, it's from top to down. You can see her face, the skin has become even tone, the dark circles have been minimized, there is a shine, there is a glow on her skin. And Greta, of course, she'll find the difference once the pack has been removed from her face. We're just cleaning her face with a toner. After this, a day protection, which is called Wellnel. And after the day protection, we are supposed to apply SPF 45, which will protect Greta's skin from sunlight.
Wow, Reshma, the experience was amazing. You see, I was feeling like the mint sensation and I was feeling very, very fresh. I am looking a little beautiful now. I think my dark circles.
I hope you enjoyed.
Yes, I enjoyed it a lot.
I can
slept for
see
a
your
while
dark.
and you can see me very fresh now.
Yeah. Your dark circles have minimized.
Minimized and they become a little even tone.
Yeah, it's become an even tone also. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm all set for Valentine's Day. I'm looking beautiful and just a little bit of makeup and I'm all set. Well, I'm all set for Valentine's Day, and as usual, if you have any queries or suggestions, please write into me at greta@prudentmedia.in or SMS me on 59898 at GOEMFB, that is GOEMFB. Till then, take care and happy Valentine's Day to all my viewers.
Two cheers to